In this lecture, we will see a few examples about how to solve linear equations right here. There are total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 examples. Let's see how to solve the first one. The first one, they are like terms. 4a, negative 2a, 9a, negative 3a. Don't combine all of them at the same time. The reason, again, is what? They are on the different sides of the equation. Okay? So the first thing you want to do is to combine, but combine it separately. Negative 3, 9. So you have a positive 6. And then a. 12 is a constant. Do not combine it. 4a, negative 2a together is 2a. Now you got to think about it, that 2a, 6a on the different sides. You want to do is both sides subtract 2a. So right hand side, they cancel each other, is 0. Left hand side, you have 6a minus 2a, so you have 4a. And then plus 12. Now it's time to isolate a with opposite operations. Plus 12, you go to subtract it. So you then cancel positive, negative 12. So you then have a 4a equals negative 12. Between 4 and a is multiplication. So you got to do is divide it by 4. Then you may cancel positive, negative 4. Not positive, negative 4. Upstairs 4, downstairs 4. So then you have 1 times a, which is a. And then the right hand side is negative 12 times divided by 4. You have a is negative 3. Okay, that's the solution. A equals negative 3. You may wonder if you do really right. So I want to say, check yourself. You can put this negative 3 everywhere. Okay, here, 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 here. You see, if you put negative 3 back into all those 4 places, the left-hand side should be equal to the right-hand side. Now, question 2, distributive property. Okay, yeah, that's why I want to show you this example. The right-hand side is negative 4 times 2y, so it's negative 8y. Negative 4 plus 1, negative 4, and then times positive 1 is negative 4. Now, then you have a 6y plus 6 on the left is not changed. So you copy it down. Don't do it in rush. Okay? Copy it down patiently. It will guarantee you do the right things. Plus y, 8y, plus 8y on both sides. So you cancel positive, negative 8y. And then the right-hand side is just negative 4. The right-hand side is 8y plus negative 6y So it's 2y plus 6. Now all the terms containing y are combined. Eventually you have a 2y. Now subtract 6 on both sides. You may then cancel positive negative 6 on the left. So you then have a 2y equals negative 10. Negative 4 plus negative 6. And then you can divide 2 on both sides. Okay, so then y is negative 5. Alright, that's the solution. You see, 2 divided by 2 is 1, and 1 times y is y. Okay, so y equals negative 5. That's the solution for the second one. The third one, there are a few ways to handle it, but let's get rid of all the denominators by multiplying 5 everywhere. Okay, then you will see 5 upstairs cancel 5 downstairs is 2x. Again, 5 upstairs cancel 5 downstairs. So you have a 4, and then equals negative 2. And then the rest of them looks easy then. Minus 4 on both sides. The reason again is you want to isolate x. Then you have a 2x equals negative 2, negative 4 together, negative 6. So divided by 2, and you have x equals negative 3. That's the solution. Okay. Now, similarly for this one, you don't like denominator, so get rid of it by multiplying 9 everywhere. Okay. Yeah. Now you see then not positive, negative. Upstairs 9, downstairs 9, cancelled. So you then have a 7x. 9 divided by 3 is 3. So 3 times 1 is 3. 2 times 9 is 18. Okay. So get this one, then the rest of them will be easy then. Plus 3. Cancel positive negative 3. There's 7x on the left. Right hand side is 18 plus 3 gives us 21. Up to this far, regular routine divided by 7. 7 divided by 7 is 1 times x, which is x. So x on the left. 21 divided by 7 gives us 3. And then that's the solution for question 4. Alright. Now, keep going. For question 15, I don't think you like 5 downstairs here. And that's the reason I want to show you how to get rid of this 5. How? I have 2 examples right here. Times 5 everywhere. Okay, let's say 5 times 5 everywhere. Then you then have what? You then have 5 upstairs and 5 downstairs. They cancel each other. So then on the left hand side, you then have 3 x plus 1. 5 times 2x is 10x, and 5 times negative 5 is negative 25. And then distributive property applies. So you then have a 3x plus 3 equals, oops, here 5 times 2x, don't forget x. Huh? Yeah. And then negative 5 times 5 is 25. So we still have a 10x minus 25. All right, keep going. Don't add 10x and 3x right now because they are on the two different sides. You want to do is what? Yeah, subtract. Okay, so cancel 10x. 3 positive negative 10 is 7 negative x plus 3 equals negative 25. And then move 3 to the right. Constants, let's all the time put on the left, put on the right. And variables, all the time we put on the left. So you see positive, negative 3 cancel each other. Left-hand side is 7x. Right-hand side, you have a negative 25, negative 3, negative 28. In this case, you see you have a negative 7 on the left. So, divided by negative 7. Negative 7 divided by negative 7 is positive 1 times x. We have x. Negative, negative, we got a positive. 28 divided by 7, which is 4. Okay. Again, you may check yourself. We are done here, huh? But you know, if you like to check, that's fine. So you see, right-hand side is 2 times 4 minus 5, which is 8 minus 5 is 3. Left, 3, 4 plus 1 divided by 5. These two together is 5. 5 times 3, 15 divided by 5, which is also 3. Okay. So you are done, and here is just what? Check. Okay. It is not necessary, but you know, if you want to be guaranteed your answer is correct, you can always do that. Okay, I'll see you next time.